एवरीवन, मैं आपके साथ सारा, आप देख रहे हैं न्यू वर्ल्ड। आइए देखते हैं आज की क्या है खास न्यूज़।
The United States, Russia, France, and many other countries are setting records for coronavirus infections as a tidal wave of cases washes over parts of northern hemisphere, forcing some countries to impose new curbs. The gloom weighed on global financial markets on Monday as surging infections clouded the economic outlook. US stocks had their worst day in 4 weeks over the double whammy of record coronavirus cases and political deadlock in negotiations to provide more economic aid. Word that a vaccine being developed by University of Oxford and AstraZeneca plc produced immune responses in both elderly and young people offered some positive news as autumn turns to winter in northern countries and more people socialize indoors. But British Health Secretary Matt Hancock cautioned that the vaccine would not be widely available until next year and said, "We are not there yet." Any vaccine faces both scientific and public relations hurdles. Surveys have shown only about half of Americans would get a COVID 19 vaccination due to concerns about safety, effectiveness, and approval processes. In the United States, the number of hospitalized COVID 19 patients is at a 2-month high, streaming healthcare systems in some states. US President Donald Trump, facing a tough re-election battle on November 3, lashed out again at reports that the coronavirus is surging. He repeated his unfounded claim that COVID 19 cases are rising because there is more testing, an assertion not supported by data and one that has been rejected by health experts. Cases up because we test, and test. A fake news media conspiracy. Many young people who heal very fast, 99.9%. Corrupt media conspiracy at time high, Trump said in a Twitter post. The number of new COVID 19 cases in the United States last week rose 24%, while the number of tests performed rose 5.5%, according to Reuters analysis. In Europe, the pictures were unrelentingly grim as a string of countries reported record increase led by France, which posted more than 50,000 daily cases for the first time on Sunday, while the continent passed the threshold of 250,000 deaths. France may even be experiencing 100,000 new infections a day, Professor Jean-François Delfraissy, who heads a council that advises the government, told RTL Radio. Governments have been desperate to avoid the lockdowns which curbed the disease earlier in the year at the cost of shutting down their entire economies. But the steady rise in new cases has forced many in Europe to tighten curbs. We are facing very difficult months ahead, German Chancellor Angela Merkel told a meeting of leaders from the Christian Democrat Party, according to Daily Bill. She plans lockdown light that will focus on closing bars, restaurants, and public events, the newspaper said. The Spanish government faced a backlash over its plans to put one of Europe's worst COVID 19 hotspots under 6-month state of emergency. Opposition parties said 6 months was too long. Epidemiologists said this may be too little too late, and some citizens barked at nighty curfews. Russia's daily tally of new COVID 19 infections surged to a record high of 17,347 on Monday, as the Kremlin warned the pandemic was beginning to take a greater toll outside Moscow. Russia in August became the first country to grant regulatory approval for a vaccine against COVID 19 after less than 2 months of human testing, raising eyebrows among spectacle scientists on the West. Regulators approved a second vaccine earlier this month. With 1.5 million infections, the country of around 145 million people has recorded the world's fourth largest COVID 19 caseload after the United States, India, and Brazil. Italy, the country worst hit in early stages of the crisis in March, imposed new restrictions, ordering restaurants and bars to close from 6 p.m., shutting cinemas and gyms, and imposing local curfews in several regions. More than 43 million people are reported to have been infected by the coronavirus globally, and 1.15 million have died, according to Reuters tally. The United States has the highest number of deaths and infections.
लगातार अपडेट रहने के लिए बने रहिए न्यू वर्ल्ड के साथ और हमारे चैनल को शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। बाय बाय।